Hello guys, my name is Temidayo Omoniyi and I'm a data analyst for UrBizEdge. So for today's section, we'll be building a financial agent report template using Excel. So let's just start by saying, what is account receivable? According to Wikipedia, account receivable are legal enforcement claim for payment held by a business for goods supplied or services rendered. These are usually in form of invoice raised by a business and delivered to a customer for payment within an agreed time frame. Go further, categorizing account receivable. So these are basically the contents you usually find in account receivable. We have the less than 1 day. That means if it is less than 1 day, that means not due. That means the invoice where the due date has not been passed. If the is 1 to 30, that means it is 30 days. 1 to 30 days past its due day. Likewise, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, and greater. So let's go to the next sheet. Let's now build our template from scratch. So you can see the agent report, which is over here. These are various organizations, and these are different license type and order number. We have the issue date, we have the expiring date. So different organizations have a different kind of permit. So for the collaboration permit, I gave it 30 days from the issue date. For the drilling permit, I gave it 60 days from the issue date. For the XYZ permit, I gave it 90 days. So from the date it was issued, it has 90 days before it expires. So I want to now know days outstanding. To get my days outstanding, I will say equals to today, which is this, today minus expiring date, right? I press enter. You can see 75. 75 means it has passed, it is 75 days past the due date. You get, so it is 75 days past expiring date, which is the due date. So it does. So if I want to drag down, I'll just create an absolute reference for this. So I can drag down. Voila. So you can see these are 75 days, this 59, this 100. You can see some are negative. The negative means it is not yet due. So this one, it has one more day before it becomes due. This has 19 days, 61 days. So let me just make it better. So if I say, let me put a condition that if it is less than, give me 0. So if this is less than, let's say less than 1, return 0, else give me the calculation. Okay. Wow, that's nice. So let's do for one that is not due now. So if I say equals to this, that's the today minus expiring date, right? Press enter. I have 75 here, right? Let me create an absolute reference for this. F4, close it. Now I can drag down. Cool. So what I want to do, I want to only see the not due date here for you now. So if I say if this is less than 1, return the value, else give me 0. It's just simple. So I have the value. So all the ones that are not yet due, you can see these ones are not due, this is not due, this is not due, this is not due. So you can see it here. So let's move a little bit here. So I want to know which day is in between 1 to 30 due day. So the days that are in between 30 days past your due day. So I want to know them. If I say equals to, if, let me use an instead, and this is greater or equals to 1, this less or equals to 30, right? Return the amount, else be empty. That's all. Okay, you can see this is empty because it is 75 days. That's past it. Let's say, let me drag down. Okay, this, you can see this is what? This 11 days, this 18 days. The rest are greater than 30 days. That's cool. So let me just format this as a Naira. Then format it as a currency. So I'm using Naira because Naira is actually my country's currency. So I have to use Naira. I have to represent my country, which is Nigeria. So where is this my place? Okay, I'm doing the same thing now. and this is greater or equals to 31, comma, this less or equals to 60. It should return what? The amount, else be empty. Drag down. Let me just copy the same format from here, so I don't waste time. And paste the same format. Ultra. Okay, you can see this is 59, so it's in between this. You can see this 40, 39, 30. So you can see now, you can see how it's going now. So if I say equal, let me do the same thing again. So I want to do from 61 to 90, right? If and this is greater or equals to 61, this less or equals to 90 days. So you should do what? You should return the amount, or it should be empty. So I'm just drag down. Let me copy the same format. Okay, cool. So let's say if, so last one, if is greater than, right? So if this is greater than 90 days, then it should return what's the amount, else it should be blank. Close bracket, enter. So that's cool. So it's only, I think it's only one that is greater than 90 days, and that's 103 here. That's nice. So the next step, I'll just copy formats and put the same format. So let me now put the status now. I'm saying, so this time I'll use the if statement. I'll use the ifs for the status. So if this is less than 1, return not due. Else if this and if this is between, that's greater than or equals to 1, comma, this is less or equals to 30, comma, it should give me what? Say 30 days. 30 days due, comma, do another and again, and if I'm using if, I don't use the nested if, that's what I'm using ifs actually. So ifs, that's an if this is greater or equals to 21, comma, this is less or equals to 60, it should return what? It should be 60 days. 60 days due, comma, and if this is greater or equals to 61, comma, this is less or equals to 90, you should give me what? It should be 90 days due, comma, and last one should be what? True. That's else true should be what? Should be past 90. Yes. Past 90 days. I mean, you know, when something's past 90, it is even more dangerous. So if I was close, okay, correct. Because you can see first one is 90 days due. That's from 61 to 90. Yes, correct. 59 to, yes, correct. Past 90 days. Yeah, that's cool. So let me now put a conditional formatting for this now. So you can easily identify it. Let's say conditional formatting, text that contains, say 30 now. Let me make it red, but a little bit custom red, not so thick red. Or let's make it orange. Okay. And do custom format again. Text that contains, make 60. Okay. I'll be fast. I might have to skip some of this, but I'm about to rush this part. I think we're cool. This is how an AG report are usually built in Excel. So that's just all. I hope you guys learned a lot. So if you actually learned a lot, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This video is brought to you by UrBizEdge. Have fun, guys. Bye.